do you hear the clicking sound? Let's go into fan out. I did disconnect the front and keep the rear. Okay. But I can still hear the knocking sound. Both shafts are removed. There's still a bit of sound, so I think when it's loaded it's getting louder, so I just have to open up and see. You can hear it. Okay. Both drive shafts are removed. Okay, so it must be in the transmission only. Remove the battery tray. There's some screw here on the other side, and there are 2 screws here. Then just pop it out, rotate, and then you can take out transmission. We first take out the motor by removing these 1, 2, 3 screws, and there's one here and another here, and 1 screw at the bottom. So I just have to remove this servo, so just take out that screw, and this one will be free from the truck. You can work on it. So usually what I'm doing, the screw I'm removing, I'm returning it to itself so that I will not mix up with the screw. See, also this one I keep it here. So now our transmission is free. We can go and clean first. Now I dismantle. See the screw, the plate, the gears, the screw going this way, the 2 screw going that way, and I dismantle it like this all the way to the spare gear. Okay, so in that way it'll be easier to return. No need to look at the manual actually, but if you're lost, you better look at the manual. So I'm going to inspect this one and re-grease and put it back again. Okay, so here it is now. Look like it's silent now. I think it's just needs some grease inside. No, it's okay. No more noise. Like it's normal already. Cannot hear anymore. All I hear are the gears, the drive shafts.